Hello, my precious humans. I hope y'all are doing fine today. Due to the nature of the current virus pandemic situation that we're all in right now, and we're all locked down and hunkered down, I wanted to create this video to educate the public on how to clean your firearms, your guns, because we may be come in contact with the virus and transfer that to our firearms and not even know that we've done that. So I'm gonna show you how to do that and talk to you about what products I use to clean my gun to gain the maximum efficiency. So let's get started. So first thing is what I use alcohol. So what you want is an alcohol solution that it's greater than 60%. That is what's listed by CDC as something that can kill the virus. So anything between 60% and 90% isopropyl alcohol is your best bet. So I have 70% here. That is considered the best solution simply because it has enough water to act as a catalyst and a denaturing agent to breach that protein cell membrane so that it can deliver the alcohol payload to the virus and kill the virus. So things like vodka, that's not going to work because it's actually 80 proof. That means it's 40% alcohol, and that's not strong enough unless you figure out a way to, some sort of distillation process where you can remove the water content and increase that alcohol potency. But, IPA, isopropyl alcohol, is fairly inexpensive and widely available, so why not just use it to clean your firearm? So what you do is, you would tear down or break down your firearm or gun as you normally would. You would wipe all the surfaces that you would touch. So, for example, the handle, the grip, trigger, just basically all over the gun. And then after you've done that, you want to allow the alcohol to sit on the firearm and naturally evaporate. You don't want to wipe it down because that's when it's doing its job. That's when it's breaking down the cell membrane and killing the virus. So let it sit on there and let it evaporate normally. After that's done, then get your favorite gun oil and lube it up, and it'll be good to go. So wash your hands carefully with soap for 20 seconds or above, and then make sure your hands are clean before you do that, so to minimize and mitigate the transmission of virus to your firearm. So that's my recommendation. Stay safe out there, guys. This virus is pretty dangerous. It's highly virulent and fairly deadly. So be careful out there. Protect yourself, protect your family as always, and I'll see you guys next time. Be safe.